All right, parents, listen up. Because today, I'm about to save your afternoon. You know those rainy days when the kids are bouncing off the walls? Yeah, I've been there. But guess what? You can whip up homemade Play-Doh with just 5 simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Here's what you need: flour, salt, cream of tartar, water, and a splash of vegetable oil. Oh, and food coloring if you want to get fancy. First, toss 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar into a big mixing bowl. Stir it up. Next, add 1 cup of water and a tablespoon of oil. If you want colors, now's the time. Add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Mix everything together until it looks like pancake batter. Now here's where you'll want to help. Pour that goopy mixture into a saucepan and cook it over medium heat. Keep stirring, and don't walk away. It thickens fast. In about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see the dough pull away from the sides. When it forms a ball, you're done. Take it off the heat, let it cool for a minute, then knead it on a clean surface. That's it. You just made soft, squishy Play-Doh that smells way better than store-bought. Keep it in an airtight container and it'll last for weeks. Trust me, the kids will love helping, and you'll love knowing exactly what's in their Play-Doh. So next time boredom strikes, you've got the perfect fix. Go ahead, make some memories and a bit of mess.